Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about extra long dual pivot pliers from Falcom. I have been using cheaper brands and was not satisfied, so I decided to get good quality pairs of pliers. The packaging comes with some demo photos where they try to explain how these can be handy in certain hard to reach areas. The part number of bent design plier is 18534L and 19534L for the straight design. Let's take them out. The length of the plier is 34 cm. It's about 13 inches. Let's check the details. It feels solid in hands. Facom logo and the part number is laser etched. The handle is non-slip design, which is good. It will be less slippery. You can see it comes with oil on the metal surface to avoid the rust. The finish is consistent throughout. Both have consistent bending and smooth finish. Opening and closing mechanism is a bit stiff, but it's brand new, and also it is double pivot design. But these will get loosened with the usage over time. Opening and closing mechanism is not wobbly at all. The teeth are matching good against each other. Ergonomics of the handle is really good. Let's check straight design. Same as other plier, it has also laser etched Facom logo and the part number on it. Consistent finish. Opening and closing stiff but robust without any wobble. It feels good in hands. Look at the needle nose side. Both tips have equal diameter with nice and consistent finish. Teeth are well made without any flaws. Let's compare these with the conventional pliers. I have Knipex long pliers with me. You can see how dual pivot design give more reach in the tight spot due to their less opening arc design. While traditional plier or single pivot design, the handle open too much and can be problem in tight areas. But in these pliers, the handle don't move the same distance, but the jaw opens more, and these are compact design too. You can see here the conventional plier, in this case Knipex pliers, has different teeth pattern for different application, whereas these double rivet design pliers have simple straightforward design, no cutter or different pattern of teeth in there. These are good for picking fallen nuts or electronic component in tight areas, for example engine bay, and they were good to remove different electric connectors as well as removing or installing various kinds of hoses. The purpose of these pliers is for long reach and with less opening of the handles, and for tight areas opening arc of handle can be a problem, so these are just made for specifically tight and long reach areas. These might not be for everyday use, but when you need them, they will save your time. Anyhow, these pliers from Facom gives good impression and they seem solid and well made. And Facom make good quality tools. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you guys in another video.